Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from a real estate investment app on Fundrise step by step clearly. Open the Fundrise app on your device or visit the Fundrise website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the portfolio section to view your investments. Find the property or fund you wish to withdraw from. Select the investment to see more details. Look for the withdraw option, which is typically found on the investment details page. Click on the withdraw option to begin the process. Review the withdrawal terms and conditions presented to you. Confirm the amount you would like to withdraw. Enter any required information, such as your bank account details if needed. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Submit your withdrawal request by clicking the Submit or Confirm button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Check your email for a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal. Monitor the status of your withdrawal in the app's Transactions section. Allow time for processing, as withdrawals may take several business days. Be aware of any fees associated with the withdrawal, if applicable. Keep an eye on your bank account for the arrival of your funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.